Y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. I don't even know what I'm doing. I know a lot of you guys have followed me recently for my hair tutorial that I just did on taking down my braids. So welcome. I'm gonna try and do like a little Coachella style since it's Coachella weekend, but this is gonna be posted after because I know I'm not about to upload it right now. It's not happening. But in my journey in becoming a full-time content creator, I'm trying to figure out what you guys really like to see from me so that we can just bring some engagement and then we can start doing everything. I already do everything, but I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna do like a little Bantu knot look. Okay, girl, if you know me, you know I cannot multitask and talk through a video and do my hair at the same time. That is so freaking hard. So please spare me. We're gonna do a voiceover. So basically, I'm gonna be doing like a little bang, slick bang, okay? We're gonna connect it to the back, so it just helps with tension and everything like that. I go in with the Wet Line Extreme Gel, y'all. Love that gel, so good. It is like really great, and it's good for flyaways. Like, it can't compare to Eco no more. I used to be an Eco girl, for real. Not no more. And it also really defines my type 4 curls very well too, which I really love, but the only problem is finding something that mixes very well. While I'm doing this ponytail, you're gonna find that at first I used an elastic rubber band, but that was no good. I had to use a regular hair tie because it was more secure and everything like that. So once you've done your bang, we're gonna go back and fix it later, so it's gonna be a little fuzzy, but you want to part like a rectangle, I want to say at the ends of your eyebrows, kind of like that. You're gonna part a rectangle and you're gonna create 4 squares in that rectangle, kind of like a middle part, and then one on the side of that, and then same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna form 4 Bantu knots in those 4 squares. And the way I do a Bantu knot is kind of just like a twist motion, like a roll twist motion. So I twirl it around my fingers, then I roll it. Twirl it around my fingers, then I roll it and wrap it around the base over and over again. It's something that you really do have to practice. So yeah, just practice on your own hair and see what you do. But I forgot to tell you, I also use the Talia Waheed curl cream. That also is really great at defining my curls. Hence, it does not mix well with the wet line, so I only use that to define my curls if I do like a wash and go. But yeah, so I did that, and I also did like the liquid cream oil method, LCO or LOC, whichever one works for you. I added jojoba oil to seal in that moisture, and as you see, we already did the other 3, and I had to redo the first one that I did because it was too small, so I wanted to kind of be more close in size to the other ones. It does not have to be perfect, but some of us are perfectionists, and that just ain't me, girl. So yeah, now I can see the vision. It's getting cute. It's getting cute. So in the back, we're gonna do a braid out, and same thing, we're gonna do LCO method, but I get a little lazy, so I just mix the oil with the cream, and then we just apply and we detangle. Detangling is very important, so detangle your hair very well. I use a dimming brush. I don't even know if that's a dimming brush, to be honest. Just look it up on Amazon. You'll definitely see it. And then I go ahead and I braid it. And I like to twirl the ends just to give me a little curl. I don't braid all the way down. I just twirl it around my finger. And then you repeat this process, girl. I'll be back. Now I am back, and we are fixing the bang part to get it a little bit more sleek. My type 4 hair is always going to have texture, so it's never going to be slick smooth like the looser textures, but it is definitely going to have waves, and it's still going to be laid. So I go in after doing the wet line. I go ahead and do the braid gel by All Day Locks. That thing works so good and it doesn't flake on me, which I love. And then I also have this mini brush. I don't even have a big brush anymore. I don't know what happened, but I go in with the hard side first and then I go in with the soft side of it. The key to just getting a good slick is going over it multiple times, smooth it down, mold it down. It's like an art piece, literally. And I also had to use 2 bobby pins closer to my ears. The rubber band was not making it tight enough. So yeah, make sure you tie down your hair with a scarf and boom. So now we need to dry our hair. I needed it done today, not tomorrow, because we need the look today. We're using the special RevAir, and I did a full-blown tutorial on how this product works, which I really love. So make sure you go check that out after you watch this video. And if you would like to purchase this amazing blow dryer, code is Janelle Alana 10. Get you one, okay? But this is really good for drying your twists, braids, whatever you need. It automatically uses less heat, which I love. And I just kind of went over each braid for about a minute or so on the highest setting. We're back. About to take this out. So since this is my first time doing a natural hairstyle in forever, because I be wearing wigs all the time, I had to remember to put oil so that it can reduce the amount of frizz. Yeah. And so me taking down the first braids is not the best example because I totally forgot how to do it. But on the opposite side, I noticed that I would start separating the hair from the ends, which is much better. So let me show you an example. Let me see a clip. Hold on. Okay, right here is a better example of where I am closer to the ends of my hair rather than the direct middle. It helps not create more frizz. It helps keep your definition. So also the more that you separate, the more that it's going to get more voluminous and bigger. So that is something that I was going for to get this look to be really cute. And also I'm going to kind of pick my roots out just a little bit with a wide tooth comb. And because I did a middle part in the back of my head, we needed to cover that. So just continue separating, fluffing, picking out your roots, whatever, to make it fall seamlessly. As I turn around, you'll see that I didn't do it as seamlessly as I could have because I just love the definition so much. The definition was giving. And as you see, one side is like bigger than the other, which I don't know exactly why. I probably just didn't separate the other side enough. But yeah, and also one side, the bigger side, is frizzier than the other side. So I don't know. Y'all, I'm learning with y'all. But I love how this look came out. It's so, so cute. What do y'all think about it? Because I love it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and press the like button and the subscribe button if you want to see more like this. I'm trying to figure out what y'all like. So make sure y'all engage and let me know. So join the family, y'all. I will see you on the next one. Mwah.